Hello everyone, we have to discuss about that UGC नेट पेपर 2023 UGC नेट पेपर 2023 और प्रैक्टिस सेट थर्ड देख लेते हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, विच डिकेड्स इज मार्क्ड विद द रिसर्जेंस ऑफ पॉलिटिकल थ्योरी? A 1960 years. Political theory is a master science is said by ए अरिस्टोटल के द्वारा कही गई थी। हु सेड दैट मैन इज द वन फ्री बट एवरीवेयर इज ही इज इन द चेन? डी किसने कहा था? रोस्क्यू ने, रूसो ने। विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग पेयर इज करेक्टली मैच्ड? ए प्लूटो बेस्ट रूलर एंड बेस्ट कोर्सेस। मैच द फॉलोइंग लिस्ट 1 एंड लिस्ट 2। List 1 and list 2. Potential representations is related to Thomas Hare. Fundamental representation is related to G.D.H. Cole. One man, one vote is related to J. Bentham. Multiple voting right is related to J.S. Mill. In the question given below are two statements labeled as the assertions and reason are. In the context of the two statements, which one of the following is correct? 6A. Iron rule of oligarchy and says that the government is dominated by the few. Reason: every organization is eventually reduced to an oligarchy. 6A. Both A and R is true. R is correct explanation of A. The concept of the two parliament was initiated by 7A. Guild socialism. Marxism ideology signifies 8A. State is meant to be the servant and interested of the capitals, and state disappears after the socialism resolutions and dialecticals. Materialism represents the philosophical basics of Marxist. Ban did the for the first time female suffrage in New Zealand. C 1893. Author and books. A. Author and books. A. Caroline Merchant, The Death of the Natures. Rudolf Behro, From Red to Green. Morani Book Chains, Post Scarcity, Anarchism. James Lovelock, Gaia. In the question given below are two statements revealed as the assertions and reasons are in the content of the two statements. Which one of the following is incorrect? Assertions: the moderate believed in the constitutional method are the treat to errors public opinions in the favor of their demands. Reason are the bare convenience that the times and then was not yet the ripe and for the overthrowings. British rule. British rule. A. Both A and R correct explanation of A. R is correct explanation of A. 12th. Question number 12. Who among the following is beings killed are the Confucius? Confucius is related C. Confucius. To avoid revolution, Aristotle propounded some method arrange them in square. C. Remove causes of the revolutions and educated people according to the spirit of constitution. Property should be used commonly. Life, liberty and estate are the natural right of man, and who said this? B. Locke. Hegel was a philosopher. D. Idealist. Match the following. Match the following. B. Roscoe is related to general bill. Locke is related to the consent of the governed. Legal is related to the mark of God on earth. Ravis is related to the view of ignorance. Question number 17. In the question given below are two statements and labeled as the assertion and reason in the content of the two statements. Which one of the following is correct? Assertions. Machiavelli stated in other secular state reason. Machiavelli attributed religions a place within the state, not above the state. And R is correct. True and R is correct explanation of A. The book A Theory of the Justice was published in year. She. 1971. What is the correct sequence of the following stage are the propounded by the Karl Marx? C. 1, 3, 2, 4. Primitive communist stage. Unsigned state. The federal stage. The capitalist stage. What is the correct sequence of the following event? A. Mega Carta. First Mega Carta. Second, Glorious Revolution. Third, American War of Independence. Fourth, French Revolutions. ऐसे हुआ था. Fatima I Jahan Gadari was written by B. Jodin Barani. Considered with the following statement is not correct about. C. He supported constitution method of the resistance. Following match. D. Swami is related to king. Amatya is related minister. Kosha is related to treasury. Danta is related to army. In the following question giving below assertions. Education in the fundamentals right of every child between the age of 6 and 14. Reason. 1 out of the every 4 children in India does not go to school. Quotes. Both A and R is individuals. True and R is not correct explanation of A. Who among the following mooted the ideas that India was a soft state and ill-equipped to carry out its promises? Gunnar Mandal. In which of the following federation does the second chambers have equal representation from the state? 2 and 4, USA or Australia? Match the following. Integral humanism is related Deen Dayal Upadhyay. Radical humanist is related M.N. Rao. Scientific humanist is related Nehru. Cultural nationalism related B.D. Savarkar. Arrange the following event correct sequence. A. 3. First. Second. J.P. Narayan joined non-the-corporation movement. Second. Narayan joined Indian National Congress. Second. National joined civil disobedience movement. Third. Or fourth. Narayan gave the call of the peaceful total revolution. Who said a state is human activities that the successfully claim the monopoly of the legitimate use of the physical force written other giving territory? D. Max Weber. Traditional approach to the comparative politics neglected the comparison of the constitutions. Article 359 of the Constitution of India deal with one of the following? C. Suspensions of the enforcement of fundamental rights except few during emergency. Consider the following statement are after a bill and has been passed by the one house and transmitted to the other houses, the president may notify to the house his the intentions to the summer them for other joint sitting if B. First and second. The bill is rejected by the other houses. The house has been the finally agreed as to the amendment to be made in the bill. Question number 33. In the question giving below assertion and reasons. Fascination could not consist of any the spheres of human activities remaining immune from the inventions by the state. Reasons. Fascism and strove to unify the world by the appealing to share the traditions of humankind. Quote. C. A is true but R is false. Consider the following statement. First and second is correct. Jeremiah Bentham presented the individualism list notions of moral autonomy. Jeremy Bentham supported the ideas that the division protected, secures and protected constitutional liberty, which in the subject of the 91st Constitution Amendment Act 2004. B. Limiting the size of the Council of Ministers. Question number 36. Who among the following have the advanced the development non-realism arguments? B. Harold Laswell and G. A. Almond. What is the correct chronological sequence of the following event? 4. Parliamentary reforms. 4. D. 3rd. Salt Satyagraha, Pune Act or Indian Navy revolt. D is correct. Match the following sequence. Soviet Union. Soviet Union is related to German Non-Aggression Pact. Is related to April 1941. Germany invaded Soviet Union is related to June 1941. Germany occupied Czechoslovakia is related to March 1939. Germany invaded Poland is related to the September 1939. Japan have constitutional monarchy. The Narmada Bachao Andolan took place in D. India. What is the correct chronological order in which the following emerged? D. 4. The national state. D. And second, the green city state. Third, Roman Empire. 4th, the federal state. Match the correct. Collective responsibility. 11-15. Collective responsibility is related to the USA. Multi-party system is related to the Switzerland. Referendum is related to the UN. Due process of the law is related to India. So B is correct. In the sequence, assertions and reason. Assertions is correct. Rationalism in Indian politics and reflected the culture diversity of the country. The political leader which of the ethical identity. B. Both A and R is correct. R is not correct explanation of A. Who among the following associated with thus development of underdevelopment? Underdevelopment. D. Andre Gunder Frank. In which year was the human rights protection laws passed in India? C. 1993. The most essential principle of liberalization is C. Freedom. Match the following. B. Marxism theory is related class struggle. Realist theory is related power. Decision making theory is related environment. Game theory is related payoff. Which one of the following branch of socialism considered the socialist? Socialism is A. Refinement and logical construction of democracy. A. Fabianism. In the question, assertion is correct. Assertion. Scientific socialism explanation history in terms of the class struggle and reason. Class struggle is history takes place as the result of the conductions between the protectorism and the presently. D. A is false but R is true. C. A is true but R is false. 50. Which one of the following features and distinguished and Nazism from the communism? C. Equality of all. The Shah secrets is located is D. Kathmandu. Arrange the nation as per the joining of UNO. B. India, Afghanistan, Sri Lanka और जापान. D. A, B is correct. Correctly matched. B. साइप्रस क्राइसिस इज 1963 में हुआ था. द कोरिया क्राइसिस हुआ था 1950 में. द कोंगो क्राइसिस हुआ था 1960 में. द कश्मीर क्राइसिस हुआ था 1948 में. हाउ मेनी कंट्रीज आर मेंबर्स ऑफ द कमीशन इन ऑन ह्यूमन राइट इज रिलेटेड टू डी 53. द ऑफिशियल फिलोसोफर्स ऑफ नेशनल सोशलिज्म वाज A. Reisenberg. Guide socialist is based on the idea of the partnership between the producers and the state in the control of the industry, and this was said by B. G.D.H. Cole. Giving below assertions and reasons. Correct. Liberalism is not the committee to maintaining other particular ecosystems. Liberalism seeks to the remove and the restrictions on the individual's liberty and equality. In the context of the above two statements, which one of the following is correct? B. A and R is true and R is not correct explanation of a famous feminist analyst of the post-colonial state. Gayatri Chakraborty Shakivark. Participatory democracy is opposite of an monarchy. Correct the statement. D. लेनिन पार्टी सेंट्रलिज्म है. लोकी की पार्टी क्वालिटी ऑफ द सिविल सोसाइटी. मार्क्सिस्ट प्रेजर ग्रुप. ऑलमोस्ट प्रो चेंज पार्टी. येली लिबरलिज्म एंड इंस्टीट्यूट फॉर ए. रियलिज्म टॉलरेशन. The author, history, and the class consciousness is A. Althusser. Who among the following based this the liberalization on the primary of the rights? C. T.H. Green. What distinguishes modern liberalization from the classical one is D. Egalitarians. Karl Marx and F. Engels co-authors is authored. C. German ideology. The belief that the unregulated Marx and capitalism will result in the efficiency, growth, and the widespread prosperities is associated with A. Neoliberalism. The natural of the French Revolution was A. Borges. The person is political is at the central flux of the D. Feminist. The chief modus operandi of the culture imperialism is D. Hegemony. The most outstanding contemporary advocate of liberalism is D. Nozick.